welcome back to my channel. I figured today we would just do a realistic morning in my life. Instead of just showing you guys like my quiet time, I would just kind of bring you along for the morning. I had an early start this morning. My grandpa had a doctor's appointment, so I took my mom to take him. So we did that this morning. So I got some reading done in the car. I've been going through the Easy Bible Study method by the ladies from Coffee and Bible Time. And I've been enjoying it. Something I really like about the book is that it's talking about the Bible study method, but then there's homework, or they're using certain scriptures so you can do the method yourself too, alongside with their input on what they got. So you're kind of getting examples of how to actually do the method instead of just like an explanation of what it is, which I like. I feel like I learn through doing and seeing what other people are doing, so it's helpful for me. Another thing I've been doing, and I'll share a little bit of that with you guys later too, because I need to get some stuff done, is I've been trying to be very, very consistent on TikTok. I'm trying to post at least 3 times a day, so I'm trying to get ahead so I have things to post, but also make content that people want to see and that's also helpful. So that's what I'm working on today. It's a few things that I want to film and edit that would be more helpful, and just doing this so I can get just kind of into the routine of creating short form content, because it's definitely much harder for me to do this versus YouTube. So that's definitely been different for me. So if you want to follow me on TikTok, it's the same as YouTube and Instagram, Magnified Faith. I have been very active over there. I'm also trying to film for videos. Ooh, this is messy. Hopefully you guys can't hear that music out there. So since I have the time, I've been trying to just put more work into filming content, doing TikTok things, which I don't know, some people, I don't understand how they can do more or do this while they have another job, because if I didn't have a job, I don't know, I'd be posting this much on TikTok. But also I am in the process of looking for a job. Alright, I feel like every time I'm about to talk, music starts playing again. So let me finish quickly. I don't even know what I was saying. I know I was talking about getting a new job. That's what we're working on, is applying, putting applications, seeing what happens. I don't know, train of thought is gone. But my sister and I are gonna head to a coffee shop, so I'll bring you guys along. I might bring a few things to work on while we're there, and yeah, so that is the plan. So I will bring you guys as we head out and continue with our morning. Let me put my glasses on, I can't see nothing. But I'll bring you guys along as we head to the coffee shop, and we can chat later. back from my morning adventures. We ended up not staying in the coffee shop because there were a lot of people in there, so we ended up going to Target and Home Goods. I did get to film some content for TikTok, which I feel like I'm still not comfortable talking for my content, but I got some other things while we were out to film some other things, so hopefully it'll get better. I feel like my lens is dirty, so now I'm gonna just spend some time in my Bible, reading, just doing some stuff, cleaning up this desk now that I have a mess from doing some filming, and also try and get this edited because I want one to go up within like the next 15 minutes. So I'll try and edit something, post it, read my Bible, get some things done, and yeah. I've been reading in 1 John and studying it and getting things done for something exciting and special for the future. So that's what I've been doing now. And my handwriting looks atrocious. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's when I'm trying to like write really quickly, just get things down so I can like write from my mind. The handwriting just looks like a chicken scratch. That's what it looks like. It's pretty bad. But that's what I've been going through. So I was just reading 1 John chapter 1 verses 5 through 10 and just writing down my thoughts on that. I do need to start going through this. This is the New American Commentary for 1st, 2nd, and 3rd John. And I need to remember to just bring this with me wherever I go so I can, because I haven't looked at this yet. But I do need to like start going through this and just really get my act together and getting things done. So that is what I will probably do here. See, this is something I didn't even notice. See, already learning something. It's saying here that there are 3 if we say statements in these 5 verses. I'm going to mark that down. Alright, so I'm just going to take some notes here. I'm going to just keep reading, keep studying, getting some more Bible time in. But I'm going to let you guys go because I need to edit this video so it can go up. I have some other videos planned. I did have another planned video that was supposed to go up instead of this one, but I think I'm just overthinking things, so I'm gonna watch it over again, see what tweaks I can do, what editing, and then decide if I upload it. I will chat with you guys in another video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to let me know what you guys would like to see on this channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.